In this SolidWorks video, I'm going to show you how to use sketch-driven patterns. So traditionally we have linear pattern where if you have like in the X or Y direction, you want to, you know, project features along an edge or a particular, straight line. And then we have the circular pattern. Obviously that's a circle. But what if you have something irregular, a custom layout, something asymmetric? Well, we can use the sketch driven pattern. So let's say I want to have a sketch existing on this face of the part. We'll just plot some points for demo purposes. Can be any kind of sketch that's not in a straight line or even circular. So let's exit this. So we have our existing sketch and we want to project, create some new features along that sketch pattern. So we're going to go to drop down sketch driven pattern. It picks up our sketch 9 that we just built. And for features, we're going to include reference point. We'll keep that at centroid. And then for features and faces, let's say we can select actually this feature here, this little extrude, and select OK. And you can see it's created those new features matching up along that irregular layout that we just drew in that sketch. And that's how you sketch along a create features along a sketch driven pattern. That's it for this video. Just wanted to show you that quick tip. Subscribe to the channel and like this video.